Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 15 passive income ideas that helped me earn $28K per month. Yes, you heard that right. I make money while I sleep, travel, or do whatever I want. And you can do it too. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and some creativity. These passive income ideas are not some get-rich-quick schemes or scams. They are legit and proven ways to generate income online without having to work for someone else or trade your time for money. They are also flexible and scalable, meaning you can work on them whenever and wherever you want and grow them as big as you want. But before we get into the details, I have a favor to ask you. If you enjoy this video and find it valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It really helps me out and motivates me to create more content for you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you want to find out the sources that helped me to profit from these passive income ideas, make sure to check out the description box below. I have included some links and resources that will help you get started and succeed with these ideas. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Here are 15 passive income ideas that helped me earn $28K per month. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the easiest and most profitable passive income ideas out there. You don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You just create a website, find a supplier, and sell products to customers. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store in minutes. You can also use tools like Oberlo or Spocket to find and import products from thousands of suppliers around the world. You can sell anything from clothing, accessories, electronics, or home decor. The best part is, you only pay for the products when you make a sale, so you don't have to invest any money up front. You can make money by marking up the prices and keeping the difference as profit. Build and monetize a blog. Blogging is one of the most popular and rewarding passive income ideas because it allows you to share your knowledge, passion, or expertise with the world. You can write about anything you're interested in, such as travel, fitness, fashion, or personal finance. You can make money from your blog by displaying ads, promoting affiliate products, selling your own products or services, or creating sponsored posts. You can use platforms like WordPress or Medium to create your blog for free. You can also use tools like Google AdSense or monetize to display ads on your blog and earn revenue every time someone clicks on them. You can also use platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to find and promote affiliate products that are relevant to your niche and earn commissions every time someone buys them through your link. Create and sell online courses. Online courses are another way to share your skills and knowledge with others and earn passive income. You can create courses on any topic you're good at, such as photography, cooking, yoga, or web design. You can use platforms like Udemy or Skillshare to host your courses and reach millions of students around the world. You can also use tools like Teachable or Podia to create your own website and sell your courses directly to your audience. You can make money by charging a fee for enrolling in your courses or offering subscriptions for access to all your courses. Publish Instagram sponsored posts. If you have a large and engaged following on Instagram, you can make money by posting sponsored content for brands that want to reach your audience. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per post depending on your niche, followers, and engagement rate. You can use platforms like Famebit or Aspiri to find brands that are looking for influencers like you. You can also pitch directly to brands that you like and want to work with. You can create content that showcases their products or services in a natural and authentic way that resonates with your followers. Create a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is a service that allows you to create and sell custom-designed products such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, or books without having to deal with inventory or fulfillment. You just need to upload your designs, choose the products you want to sell, and set your prices. You can use platforms like Printful or Printify to integrate your store with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Whenever someone orders from your store, the print-on-demand service will print and ship the product directly to the customer on your behalf. You don't have to worry about anything else. You can make money by keeping the difference between the cost of the product and the price you charge. Create an app. Apps are one of the most scalable passive income ideas because they can reach millions of users around the world. You can create an app for any purpose, such as entertainment, education, productivity, or gaming. You can make money from your app by charging a fee for downloading it, displaying ads, offering in-app purchases, or creating a subscription model. You can use platforms like Appypie or Boldfire to create your app without coding, or you can hire a developer to create your app for you. Invest in stocks. Stocks are one of the oldest and most reliable passive income ideas because they allow you to earn money from the growth and dividends of companies you invest in. You can choose from thousands of stocks across different industries and markets and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. You can make money by selling your stocks at a higher price than you bought them, or by receiving dividends from the companies you own. Write and publish an ebook. If you have a knack for writing and a topic that you're passionate about, you can write and publish an ebook and sell it online. You can write fiction or nonfiction, such as novels, memoirs, guides, or manuals. You can use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords to publish your ebook and reach millions of readers. You can also use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to proofread and edit your ebook and make it more professional. You can make money by setting your own price for your ebook, or by enrolling in programs like Kindle Unlimited or Kindle Owner's Lending Library that pay you based on the number of pages read. Create a podcast. Podcasting is a great way to share your voice, opinions, stories, or interviews with the world and earn passive income. You can create a podcast on any topic you're interested in, such as sports, politics, comedy, or music. You can use platforms like Anchor or SoundCloud to record and distribute your podcast for free. You can also use tools like Buzzsprout or Podbean to host your podcast and get analytics and monetization options. You can make money from your podcast by displaying ads, getting sponsorships, or asking for donations. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the largest video sharing platform in the world and a source of passive income for many content creators. You can create videos on any topic you're passionate about, such as gaming, beauty, travel, or education. You can use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create thumbnails and graphics for your videos. You can also use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to optimize your videos for SEO and grow your channel. You can make money from your YouTube channel by displaying ads, joining the YouTube Partner Program, getting sponsorships, or selling merchandise. Write and publish a book. If you have a talent for writing and a story to tell, you can write and publish a book and earn passive income from the royalties. You can write fiction or nonfiction, such as novels, memoirs, guides, or manuals. You can use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords to publish your book and reach millions of readers. You can also use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to proofread and edit your book and make it more professional. You can make money by setting your own price for your book, or by enrolling in programs like Kindle Unlimited or Kindle Owner's Lending Library that pay you based on the number of pages read. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are products that exist only online and don't require any physical delivery or storage. They include things like ebooks, courses, software, music, graphics, or templates. You can create digital products on any topic or niche that you're knowledgeable about or skilled in. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Sellfy to create and sell your digital products to your audience. You can also use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your own online store and sell your digital products directly to customers. You can make money by charging a one-time fee or a recurring subscription for access to your digital products. Sell your photos. If you have a passion for photography and a collection of stunning photos, you can sell them online and earn passive income. You can use platforms like Shutterstock or Stock to upload your photos and license them to customers who need them for their websites, blogs, ads, or other projects. You can also use platforms like Fope or Snapwire to sell your photos directly to brands that are looking for authentic images. You can make money by earning a commission every time someone downloads or buys your photo. Start a niche website. A niche website is a website that focuses on a specific topic or subtopic within a larger market. For example, a niche website could be about vegan recipes, dog training, or gardening tips. You can create a niche website on any topic that you're passionate about or have some expertise in. You can use platforms like WordPress or Wix to create your website for free. You can also use tools like Google AdSense or Medivine to display ads on your website and earn revenue every time someone clicks on them. You can also use tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush to optimize your website for SEO and drive more traffic to it. Start an affiliate marketing website. Affiliate marketing is a way of earning commissions by promoting other people's products or services on your website. You can create a website on any topic or niche that you're interested in, such as travel, fitness, fashion, or personal finance. You can use platforms like WordPress or Wix to create your website for free. You can also use tools like Google AdSense or monetize to display ads on your website and earn revenue every time someone clicks on them. You can use platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to find and promote affiliate products that are relevant to your niche and earn commissions every time someone buys them through your link. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. These are just some of the passive income ideas that helped me earn $28K per month. But there are many more out there. If you want to find out the sources that helped me to profit from these passive income ideas, make sure to check out the description box below. I have included some links and resources that will help you get started and succeed with these ideas. So don't limit yourself. Experiment with different ideas and see what works best for you. Remember, passive income is not easy. It takes time, effort, and patience, but it's worth it in the long run. So don't give up on your dreams. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.